Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 19th of August, 2024. Amid positive global cues, the market opened higher with Nifty above 24,600 but erased all the gains in the initial hour and traded range-bound throughout the session, before closing with little change. Indian equity indices ended flat in the range-bound session on August 19th. The Sensex was down 12.16 points or 0.02% at 80,424.68, and the Nifty was up 31.50 points or 0.13% at 24,572.70. Top Nifty gainers were Hindalco Industries, BPCL, Shriram Finance, Tata Steel and LTI Mindtree, while losers were M&M, Bajaj Auto, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank and SBI Life Insurance. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of IT company CWD hit 20% upper circuit after it announced a 100 rupees crore order from PhonePe on August 19th to design, develop and manufacture sound boxes for merchants to receive UPI transactions. CWD, an IoT company specializing in connected devices, has a market capitalization of 344 rupees crore. The company focuses on wireless technologies NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and also long-range systems like 5G LTE among others. Its financial year 2023 revenue mix was 38% from exports and the rest from domestic market. The company has delivered over 14 million sound boxes across India. Shares of CWD hit upper circuit of 20% on August 19th. The PhonePe order represents nearly 30% of the CWD's market capitalization, and its prominent peers include Honeywell Automation, Cyient DLM, Surma SGS and Kernex Microsystems. CWD's financial year 2024 sales were 21.26 rupees crore. Siddhartha Xavier, Joint Managing Director of CWD said, "This collaboration represents not only a significant milestone for CWD but also a profound endorsement of their Make in India initiative. The orders are to be delivered over a period of 2 years. Under the terms of the agreement, CWD Limited will be responsible for the end-to-end design, development and manufacturing of the sound box," the company said in a release. CWD operates in the electronic system design and manufacturing (ESDM) sector and is betting on various government initiatives aimed at boosting domestic manufacturing. India has already started to see a larger shift of manufacturing and assembly of electronic devices such in recent years. Shares of TECHNO Electric and Engineering Company were stuck in a 5% upper circuit at 1,729.25 rupees on the BSE after it announced a partnership with IndiGrid to co-develop 2 Greenfield Interstate Transmission System (EISTS) projects under IndiGrid's portfolio. TECHNO Electric's shares have gained 120% in the past 6 months, significantly outperforming the Nifty 50 which rose 11% during the same period. Under the terms of the Security Subscription-cum-Shareholders Agreement, TECHNO Electric will invest minority capital and take charge of the complete execution of the projects on a lump-sum turnkey basis. The partnership focuses on 2 ISTS projects, Ishanagar Power Transmission Limited (IPTL) and Dual Power Transmission Limited. As a pioneer and leader in the energy transmission sector, TECHNO is immensely proud and honoured to collaborate with IndiGrid in advancing India's transmission story. This partnership represents a significant milestone for us, reflecting our commitment to leading the transformation of the energy landscape in India. With our deep execution capabilities, a strong balance sheet, and a shared vision for sustainable growth, we view this collaboration as a long-term strategic partnership that will shape the future of energy transmission in the country, said Padam Prakash Gupta, chairperson of TECHNO Electric. Founded in 1963, TECHNO Electric is one of India's leading companies in the power infrastructure sector. IndiGrid is the first infrastructure investment trust in India's power sector. Shares of CAPLIN Point Labs jumped over 13% to a fresh 52-week high in trade on August 19th, after the Brazilian Health Regulatory Agency concluded its inspection. The regulatory agency or Anvisa conducted an inspection of CAPLIN Sterile's injectable and ophthalmic manufacturing facility located at Gummidipundi. The inspection was conducted between August 12 and 16, 2024, and was concluded with 0 observations. The firm's chairman C.C. Parthipan said, "It is indeed gratifying to have 2 back-to-back audits with 0 observations. We remain steadfast in our commitment to maintaining the highest levels of quality compliance at all our sites. Brazil is an important part of our expansion plans in Latin America, and this clearance opens the door to the largest market in that geography," he added. Over the past 12 months, CAPLIN Point Laboratories shares have jumped over 70%, outperforming the frontline Nifty 50 index that has gained around 27% in trade during the same time period. Shares of GENUS Power saw only buyers as it was firmly locked in its 5% upper circuit as the firm's wholly owned subsidiary bagged 3 letter of awards, clocking in at almost 3,000 rupees crore. The subsidiary received 3 letter of awards worth totaling to 2,925.52 rupees crore for the appointment of advanced metering infrastructure service providers. This includes the design of advanced metering infrastructure system with supply, installation, and commissioning with FMS of about 3.75 million smart prepaid meters, system meters including DT meters with corresponding energy accounting on DBFOT basis, said the firm in an exchange filing. DBFOT means design, build, finance, own, operate and transfer. Following the recent order wins, GENUS Power's total order book exceeds 24,383 rupees crore. These concessions are for 8 to 10 years, providing clear visibility into the company's robust future growth. As we celebrate this achievement, we remain dedicated to upholding the highest standards of quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction, said Jitendra Kumar Ugawal, Joint Managing Director, GENUS Power Infrastructures. Over the past 12 months, GENUS Power shares have jumped 90%, outperforming the frontline Nifty 50 index that has gained around 27% in trade during the same time period. Sterling Tools Limited in daily time frame is trading around 516.90 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.773 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 421.29, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 81.64. Radhika Jewel Tech Limited in daily time frame is trading around 90.88 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 16.188 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 76.43, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.14. Amomi Realty Limited in daily time frame is trading around 107.50 points with a change of 19.09% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.58 for million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 95.12, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 65.87. For the stock recommendation we have, Minda Corporation Limited looks good and can be bought at 520 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 508 rupees and a target of 540 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.